For thousands of years, life meant procreation and survival. Humans were busy in a wild world to make ends meet. But today things have evolved. Most of us live in Western civilized societies. Depending on your financial situation, you can be eligible for government services, making sure to maintain you above a certain plateau. So with the rising of living standards, our two main primal challenges, procreation and survival, became less challenging and more granted. We acquired the time and the luxury to wonder existential questions, such as what's the meaning of life? Or what's the point of it? So what is it? I stumbled across this video of the young rapper XXXTentacion assassinated in 2018. This guy put some heavy words on that process to meaning. See, the whole point of life is to evolve and to create. Look around. Everything you see has been created. Your phone, your place, whole cities. You have been created by your parents. The problem is that you obviously evolve physically, but not as much mentally, and you ignore it. Did you know that any thoughts of doubt, fear, uncertainty are disempowering beliefs, taking away the power of your mind, keeping you still, and delaying your evolution? In that dynamic of constant evolution of everything, if you're not evolving, you're doing something wrong. You may not have the ability to understand it when you wander unconsciously through life, but your anxiety as the consequence of your unconscious inaction reminds you you're in a standstill. There is a whole set of inner rules reflecting into the physical realm. The same as you got the Newton's law for the physical realm, you have laws for the non-physical realm. So what are you missing? Study the laws of the universe, the laws of attraction, the laws of abundance, the laws of equivalent exchange. Find peace in your mind. Meditate to realize you can alter your reality with your train of thoughts. Find your purpose. There isn't such thing as I don't have a purpose, unless you're stuck and you didn't find yourself yet. Those telling you they don't, and I know it's concerning most people, are just wandering unconsciously. Most people are sleepwalking. They're in a standstill mentally for years, so they lack self-awareness and purpose. And a man without purpose will surrender to temporary pleasure with distraction everywhere. He will be tempted by promiscuity and hedonism, and they often complain about the lack of meaning in their lives. But unfortunately, you don't know what you don't know. They just ignore the fact that meanings come with taking responsibilities, self-accountability to dig within, and evolution. Thanks for watching.